Chapter number 2, Making of Pakistan. Topic, the Aligarh Movement. Introduction. After the War of Independence 1857, Muslims of United India were in great problems and difficulties. British and Hindus both were crushing the Muslims and their civilization. At that time, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan came forward to guide the Muslims of United India. He advised them to get education, especially in English language, which was the language of their master at that time. He started a great movement to educate the Muslims of South Asia called Aligarh Movement. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born on 17 October 1817. He was a caste man. He got his early education at home and got command on different languages. In 1838, he got service in East India Company. In 1842, he completed his bar at law and started his practice in Delhi. To regard his effort, British government has given him the title of Sir. Aligarh movement. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan started an awakening movement for the Muslims of subcontinent known as Aligarh movement. After the War of Independence 1857, Muslims of the subcontinent became victims of atrocities of the British. Muslims were denied their religious, political, economic, social and educational rights. This left the Muslims in fear, and this fear Sir Syed Ahmad Khan realized that it is the time for Muslims to accept all from realities and plan for future progress. Objectives of Aligarh movement. These are the main objectives of Aligarh movement. Number one, general awareness. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan stressed upon the Muslims that their golden era has passed and now they were ruled by the British. They should accept this reality. Instead of living in past, they should look their present and plan for future. Number two, establishing goodwill with British. Sir Syed emphasizes the need for maintaining friendly relations with the British to earn their goodwill. He tried to convince the British that the Muslims alone were not responsible for the War of 1857. To clear the doubts from the minds of British, he wrote a pamphlet, The Causes of Indian Revolt. In it, he pointed some reasons of War of 1857. Number 3 point, motivation for modern knowledge. Sayers stressed upon the Muslims of subcontinent to show interest in learning English language to benefit from the scientific knowledge because without it they will remain backward and unable to compete with non-Muslims. Number 4. Non-confrontal politics. Sir Syed advised the Muslims to keep themselves away from politics till the time they established pleasant relations with the British government. He wanted that Muslims should concentrate on receiving education and avoid political wrangling. Achievements of Aligarh movement. Educational achievement. Number 1 point, establishment of scientific society. In 1862, he set up a scientific society at Ghazipur. The objective of this society was to translate the standard works of modern knowledge into Urdu. This helped in the development of Urdu. Sir Syed motivated the younger generation of Muslims to learn English. Number 2 point, Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. In 1875, Sir Syed established a school in Aligarh on the model of Cambridge University, England, which was later on raised to the level of the college named Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. Number 3 point, Aligarh Muslim University. In 1922, MAO College was raised to the level of the university called Aligarh University. This university gave educated leadership and companions for the struggle of Pakistan. Number 2 main point is social achievement. Number 1 point, Causes of Indian Revolt. By writing the causes of Indian revolt and loyal Mohammedan of India, an effort was made to create goodwill between the Muslims and the British government, thus difficulties of the Muslims were minimized. Number 2 point, decrease in unemployment. The ban on the employment of Muslims was relaxed. Number 3 point, restoration of properties. Properties of the Muslims confiscated after the War of Independence were resorted to them. Impact of Aligarh movement. Aligarh movement became instrumental in the awakening of the Muslims in the subcontinent. A number of prominent personalities like Nawab Wakar Mulk, Maulana Shibli Nomani, Maulana Altaf Hussain Ali, and Maulana Pravigan played an important role in the success of the Aligarh movement. The Aligarh movement became the source of strength for the Muslims of the subcontinent. It also provided the foundation for the two-nation theory. On 27 December 1886, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established Mohammedan Educational Conference. It provided a strong platform to the Muslims of India. In 1906, the annual sessions of this conference was held at Dhaka. It was decided to set a political party, All India Muslim League. The Aligarh movement has made a very and lasting contribution to the political emancipation of Indian Muslims.